Hello and welcome to Bandanna Promotions by Caro-Line. In this video, we'll talk about our 4 in-house imprinting processes. Did you know that Bandanna Promotions is the only U.S. manufacturer with 4 in-house imprinting processes? This includes the industry custom color rotary and proprietary 2-side imprinted bandanas. Our 4 print processes are digital, screen print, rotary, and duplex. Let's get started with our digital print process. With our digital printing process, you'll get the realistic pop clients want. This method is ideal for artwork with fine details or full-color photographic images. You can also create edge-to-edge design layouts or step-and-repeat logo imprinting. With a low 72-piece minimum, this method is ideal for smaller, full-color designs. With screen printing, the imprint color is laid down on a dyed 100% cotton bandana. Up to 6 colors are possible in the large 18-inch by 18-inch imprint area. There are many stock borders on hand and pre-printed designs for your client to simply add their logo to. Rotary printing creates a softer bandana with eco-friendly water-based pigment dyes that are absorbed into the cloth, resulting in no wash or wear issues. Up to 8 colors can be achieved in the large 19-inch by 19-inch traditional square layout, or edge-to-edge and step-and-repeat logo designs, all with custom color-matched PMS background. With duplex printing, you get our exclusive double-sided bandana. 100% saturated color imprinted on both sides with eco-friendly water-based inks. Up to 2 colors are possible with duplex printing, great for green or eco-friendly companies. Thank you for watching. We hope you've learned a little about our unique bandana customization processes. Please scan the QR code on the screen for your free 4-pack sampler kit or visit us at bandannapromotions.com.